we have read chapter 7, The Unhappy Tree. If you have not seen, watch my previous video in which I have explained chapter The Unhappy Tree. Today we are going to do all the exercises and question answers of this chapter. So open your book and let's start exercises. So first exercise which is given on page number 95. The exercise is complete these sentences with details from the story. So first exercise that is given on page number 95. Page number 95 it is, students, and the exercise is A. So first one, the little fir tree was jealous of the other trees. Jealous. So what will come here? Jealous. Now second, the little tree wanted dash leaves at its first wish. Which leaves? Green leaves. Third, a dash ate all its leaves. Goat. The little tree asked for dash leaves at its second wish. Which leaves? It wished for glass leaves. Next, the leaves broke in a storm. The little tree wished for leaves of gold. Seventh, a dash man stole all the golden leaves. A young man. The little tree wanted its needles back again. Needles. Next, number 9. Finally, it was happy with what it had. Happy. Next exercise is, come to page number 97. Change these adjectives into adverbs. What are adverbs, children? The words which tell you more about verb. So, first exercise, this is page number 97. Page number 97. Change these adjectives into adverbs. This is again exercise A. So first, quiet. Quietly. You can change adjectives into adverbs by adding ly in the end. Quiet, quietly. Second, slow, slowly. S-L-O-W-L-Y. Slow, slowly. Third, sad, sadly. Next, proud, proudly. Next, brave, bravely. Next, light, lightly. By adding ly, we can change adjectives into adverbs. Now, next exercise, come to page number 99. Change these to their plural forms. You have to change these. Students, the words which end in F or FE, you can drop F or FE and add VES to make its plural. I taught you this also in my grammar lesson. So let's do now. This is exercise given on page number 99. Page number 99. So first is leaf and the plural will be leaves. L-E-A-V-E-S. We have dropped F and added V-E-S. Half, halves. H-A-L-V-E-S, halves. Third is wife, wives, W-I-V-E-S. Wife is singular and wives is plural number. V-E-S. Next is loaf, loaves. L-O-A-V-E-S. Next, life, lives. L-I-V-E-S, lives. Sixth, calf, calves. C-A-L-V-E-S, calves. Next is hoof, hooves. H-O-O-F, so H-O-O-V-E-S. Then eighth is chief. It will not change. This rule doesn't apply here. So chief, chiefs. Okay, students. Now next, write these words and write their read these words and write their opposites. My word bank. Next, we are going to do my word bank. On the same page it is given. So the heading is my word bank. First is nibbled. Nibbled, consumed. Nibbled, consumed. Second, shiny. Shiny, opposite is dull. Third, jealous. Opposite is proud. Next, laughed. Cried. C-R-I-E-D. Cried. Then beautiful. Opposite is ugly. U-G-L-Y. Ugly. Next, proud. Sixth, ashamed. A-S-H-A-M-E-D. Ashamed. So this is my word bank. All the exercises we have done. Now next we are going to write question answers. So open your notebook and we will write question answers now. So question you will write from the book which is given on page number 96 and answers you will copy down from the board. So children, I am going to rub this to write down question answers. You can pause your video here to complete your work. So next we are going to write question answers. Yes children, next question answers we are going to do. So open your notebook, write down question number 1 from the book and answers you will write down from the board. Okay students, so first question is read these, this is page number 96, read these sentences and answer the questions that follow. So first is, there came a young man with a large sack. This is a line quoted from the chapter. Now based on this line questions are asked. 2 questions, you have to answer them. First question is, what strange thing did the young man see? Now one line is quoted from the chapter and based on that line 2 questions are asked. You have to answer those questions. So the line is, there came a young man with a large sack. So let's write this line first. There came a young man There came a young man with a large sack. This is the quotation from the chapter. Now based on this, question is question A. What is the question? What strange thing did the young man see? The question is, what strange thing did the young man see? What strange thing did the young man see? This is question. And the answer is, the young man saw, write down the answer now. Answer. The young man saw gold leaves. The young man saw gold leaves. Now second question is, what did he use his sack for? Question B. What did he use his sack for? And the answer is, he used his sack for stuffing gold leaves. Answer is, he used his sack. He used his sack for stuffing. He used his sack for stuffing gold leaves. Now next line which is quoted is, if only I could have my needles. This is a quotation from the book. So let's write that quotation. Second quotation is, if I, second quotation you will write down, children. If only I could have my needles. Now based on this line, the question asked is, what was the tree's wish? So let's write the question. Question is, now I have to rub, children, because there is not enough space. So you can pause your video here to complete your work. I am going to rub this first one to write down the next answer. You can pause your children to complete your work, no problem. So the quotation is written here and the question is, I am going to write question 2A. What is question? What was the tree's wish? What was the tree's wish? And the answer is, the tree's wish was to have its needle back. Answer A. The tree's, tree apostrophe S, the tree's wish was to have its needles back. Now next question. Question number 2 is, did it complain again? How did it feel? Question 2B. Did it complain? It means here tree. Did it complain again? How did it feel? Did it complain again? Did the tree complain again? No, it did not complain again. No, the tree did not complain again. No, it did not complain again. This is first part of the first answer of the question. How did it feel? It felt proud and happy. Again, how did it feel? It felt proud and happy again. So students, in this video we have completed all the book exercises and we have also done question answers. Students, if you like my way of teaching, please like and subscribe my video and also write your wish, your thoughts in the comment box. I would love to read your comments. So that's all for today. Thank you. Have a good day.